So don't judge me, but I am an artist and I purchased this little product right here because I wanted something that could take the resin fumes and filter it, and it comes with a nice little filter. These things right here, they're attachable, strong magnetic base, and then look what I was able to do with them. All right, don't judge my spot. I lost the little umbrella to cover my works of art. I do this kind of work right here. And when you do resin work, you don't want anything to fall on them. So I took the little fan, let me take it out here and show you, and I took my lighting umbrella and put it over there, and I'm holding it up with the fan. How cool is that? It's a wonderful product.